There was a crazy guy outside.
You have the injera bread with the lentils, the chicken.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another video from beautiful Manhattan. So today, guys, I would like to take you on an Ethiopian food exploration in Manhattan. You know, I just came back from Ethiopia. If you have seen my earlier videos, you saw I was in Addis Ababa checking out all the cool food and on the streets of Addis. Now I'm in New York City and I want to try out and compare and see how the food is, the Ethiopian food is in Manhattan as compared to what we had in Addis. So I'm in Harlem area of Manhattan, and we're gonna go and check out some of the good places to eat Ethiopian cuisine over here. You know, this is the Harlem area. Harlem is very, very famous historically, culturally. It's in the uptown area of Manhattan. So we are on 135th Street and Frederick Douglass Boulevard in Manhattan, and we're going to be trying some of the Ethiopian food places over here. There's one very famous one called Abyssinia. We're going to try to go there and see how the food is. So guys, come on and let's start this video because it's going to be a fantastic video. The food, I think, will be really good. Let's try it out, guys, because I love Ethiopian food. You know that if you've seen all my earlier videos. So guys, Harlem has a lot of history, as you might already know. Malcolm X was here. A lot of other big African-American celebrities, social movement, a lot of that happened in Harlem. So Harlem as a neighborhood is just culturally super rich, and the food and the cuisines over here is really, really fantastic. They have a lot of African diaspora in this neighborhood, and we're gonna go to one of them. As I said, it's called the Abyssinia. Is it closed? No, it's not. I thought it was closed for a second. My heart would have sank if it was closed, but it's not. So we're gonna go and check it out. But as I was saying, this is the Harlem neighborhood. Look at this, kind of a lot of this red buildings over here, brownstone buildings. These are the brownstones. This is the Harlem famous brownstone buildings. As I said, a lot of the African diaspora over here in Harlem. There's Ethiopians, there's Nigerians, there's a lot of African cuisine, food markets, etc. you will see over here. So let's go in, guys, and let's have some fun. So guys, I am at the Abyssinia restaurant. See how it looks over here. Very nice. Very nice place. So let's see how the food is. There was a crazy guy outside who saw my GoPro and started chasing me. You'll get that in Manhattan. You can't get away from all of that drama. The Abyssinia Ethiopian restaurant menu. They have the appetizers, the tomato salads, the Ethiopian fit, the meat samosas, of course, the vegetable samosa, which is basically like a samosa in Indian. Wow, this looks really good. And of course you have the Doro Wat, which is one of my favorite. Doro Tibbs is basically chicken spicy stew, meat combo. Fantastic, guys. The menu looks really good. So all in all, the menu looks good. So let's order and let's taste the food and let's see how it tastes and compares with what we had in Addis Ababa, guys. So let's dig in. So please keep on watching because I'm going to show you all the food that we are having and I'm going to tell you how it tastes, guys. So I hope you're enjoying my video, and if you're liking my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do follow me and please hit the bell icon because more videos are coming and I don't want you guys to miss out. So thank you for watching, guys. Got the Habisha beer. This is Ethiopian lager. Let's taste this. Pretty good. It's a kind of a light beer. It's almost like tastes like Heineken, but has got a nice flavor to it. It's pretty much like that castle beer that I had in Ethiopia, in Addis. Kind of similar. Nice. Refreshing, guys. Food has arrived. Exactly like Addis. You have the injera bread with the lentils, the chicken. There is some other kind of meat. I think that's chicken too. There's vegetables. There's more. Yeah, this is chicken as well. And of course, they have given us more of the injera bread. So now, it's a moment of truth, guys. Let's dig in and let's see how it tastes. Let's do it. So, taking this and dipping it in the sauce right over here. Guys, this food is just unbelievable. It's exactly like Addis. No difference. I kid you not. In middle of Manhattan, in Harlem, I am tasting the food exactly that I tasted in Addis. How great is that? They have not changed the spice or anything for the Western palate. It's exactly like that. So let's try this out. A1 guy, I definitely recommend coming to Abyssinia in Harlem. It's just, if you love Ethiopian food, you will love this place. It's my guarantee, guys. You will love this place. And if you guys have already come over here, please put a comment below and let us know what you think about this place. Do you agree? Is it like Addis? Because I think it's like Addis. So I'm gonna now try some of this with this chicken, guys. Let's see how it is. Yeah. Love it. The spice level is absolutely perfect. Perfect, guys. So guys, look at this chicken. This chicken leg is my favorite. I'm gonna just devour it. Oh my god. It is so good, guys. So good. Loving it. So glad that I came over here today. I love African cuisine in general. And Harlem has some of the best. So guys, just finished the African Ethiopian feast at Abyssinia restaurant. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm going to end the video over here. So if you're liking my video, please give it a thumbs up, please share, and please do not forget to follow, because this is how I grow the channel. The more you guys follow, I can grow the channel. I don't take money from anyone to do this channel, so appreciate your help a little bit. Thank you so much.